Hi everyone, my name is Leneve. I previously wore dentures, which I was not happy with. I was always embarrassed, couldn't open my mouth and laugh like other people because I was always conscious of the dentures that people would see them. The thing is, I did not know about dental implant and heard about it first from a friend. Wasn't sure what it was all about, and then my sister became involved and she told me about it. Just by chance I took her for an appointment and I decided to have consultation myself, and that was the beginning of my journey. I was given all the information. I asked all the silly questions about how this would be, how long it would take, how much it would cost, who would do it, and I was given answer to all my questions. So I then decided that was what I wanted. I wanted to be able to throw my head back like everybody else and laugh and not having to worry about my dentures, which had metal in them. So that was me. I then chose the TDIC center because of the friendliness of the staff, because I was told at the beginning what would happen, because I was made part of my journey. So, and it was a little bit away from home, but I felt comfortable when I came. So I decided to use this particular center. I would look back at photographs that I've had before and realize that I didn't have the kind of smile that I know I was capable of doing, and yearned for that. And one of the things that I thought was, am I too old for this? Does it matter? And I thought, yes, I did want it to do it. And I also reflected on having surgery before and having to take my dentures out and the embarrassment of it. And although my background is nursing and I know that that's not what people focus on, that was still an issue for me. So this was a decision I made. What was my treatment experience like? It was a journey. First and foremost, I couldn't go back to work for 2 weeks because my face was overly swollen, but I understand that's not the experience of everyone, because my sister duly went back to work. Maybe again it's my vanity, but I was reassured that it was fine, and yes, it was fine. Had my surgery, went through waiting to have the implants, the veneers fitted, and it was more about my vanity and more about my anxiety about wanting to see what was happening. So it started off well. I had my fittings first and went away, and they didn't work as I wanted them to do. The good thing about it was my implantologist was very understanding to my complaint. There were times when I was a little bit anxious that they may have thought that I was complaining, but no. Where am I at now? It's completed. I've got a beautiful smile. And it took some time. My journey may have been different from everybody else's because I had to make several visits. But I was given the understanding and the reassurance that as long as it takes, they would make sure that they got it right. True to their word, it is right. I'm walking away today. I'm feeling beautiful. I'm about to lose some weight, and so I can further show off my teeth. So would I recommend this? Of course I would recommend them. I am about to tell my husband about it because he also wanted to see the outcome of mine, because he too wears dentures. May not want me to tell you, but I'm telling you, he too wears dentures. So I hope that I'm a good advert for the service that I have received. And I really would just like to say thanks to everyone for their patience and for the time that they took, and that everybody has been so professional and so understanding. Thank you.